Hi everybody, my name is Marla Meridith. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. If you're not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Tap that little bell in the right-hand corner so you don't miss a video. Today we are baking up something super delicious, a brown sugar blueberry cobbler. Comes together super quick, really easy to prepare. This recipe is bursting with blueberries, which are pretty much my favorite fruit. We've got July 4th coming up, and I know that you all are looking for something special to serve to your family or that small gathering of guests that you might be having to your house. This cobbler is easy to transport if you're having some kind of outdoor picnic, pool party. We're cooking up this cobbler in my favorite 10-inch cast iron skillet. If you don't already have one of these, it's time you add it to your shopping list. I will post a link for my favorite cast iron skillet in the description of this video. They are seriously my favorite item in the kitchen. Okay, let's get started. Okay, our delicious blueberry cobbler is out of the oven, and as you can see, we've already sampled a piece with ice cream, and it's absolutely delicious. Okay, I'm ready to dive in. Perfection.